Good day to each and everyone. My topic is all about counter trade. What is counter trade? Counter trade is a reciprocal form of international trade in which goods or services are exchanged for other goods or services rather than for hard currency. Types of counter trade. First is barter. Barter is an act of trading goods or services between two or more parties without the use of money or a monetary medium such as credit card. In essence, bartering involves the provision of one good or service by one party in return for another good or service from another party. The second is switch trading. Switch trading is known as rolling forward. Is a futures trading strategy involving closing a near month contract and opening a later month contract with the proceeds. Switching is not the same as spread trading. In a switch, the trader only owns one position at a time. The third is counter purchase. Counter purchase is a situation where a seller receives full payment in cash for the goods and services it sells to a foreign country but agrees to spend some portion of the amount received in that the same country within a specific time. The fourth is buyback. Buyback is a repurchase of outstanding shares by a company to reduce the number of the shares on the market and increase the value of remaining shares. The fifth is compensation trade. Compensation trade is refers to the exchange of goods, commodities, and services between two countries which is not paid for in cash but in other goods or services. The sixth is offset. An offset involves assuming an opposite position in relation to an original opening position in the securities markets. Advantages of first is allows for entry into difficult markets. The second is increases company sales where you might not otherwise have business. Third is overcomes credit difficulties. Fourth, allows for disposal of declining or surplus products. Disadvantages of counter trade. The first is the time-consuming nature. The second is negotiation complexity. Third, higher transaction costs including brokerage for instance. Fourth, logistical issues especially if commodities are involved. And last is greater uncertainty on the value of the goods being traded and uncertainty on the origins of counter trade. Counter trade is any commercial arrangement in which sellers or exporters are required to accept in partial or total settlement of their deliveries a supply of products from the importing country. The origins of counter trade can be traced to ancient times, when international trade was based on the free exchange of goods. Barter flourished in northern Mesopotamia as early as 3000 BC when inhabitants traded in textiles and metals. The Greeks also profited by the exchange of olive oil and wine for grain and metals sometime before 2000 BC. Aniane, Ento, and Harvey 1995, Brenton, Christopher, Wolf, and Wings 1984. Even when the flourishing of money economy, barter still continued as a medium of exchange. Present day counter trade involves more than the use of simple barter. That's all and thank you.